Well, hello there, Jay Leno here. If there's one thing I know, it's cars. I've spent my life around everything from steam carriages to muscle cars, but right now, we're witnessing the biggest change in automotive history. The age of the electric car is here, and it's more exciting than you might think. For over a century, we relied on gasoline engines, lots of noise, lots of power. Now, electric vehicles are quietly taking over, changing how we think about driving. They're cleaner, packed with new tech, and deliver instant power. Car companies are investing billions, and electric cars are popping up everywhere. We're at the start of a new chapter, one powered by electricity. Buckle up, let's dive into the world of electric cars. So, why should you consider going electric? 3 big reasons: cleaner air, saving money, and government incentives. First, electric cars are zero emission, no tailpipe, no pollution. That means cleaner air for everyone, especially in cities. Second, you'll save money. Charging at home is much cheaper than filling up at the pump. Over time, those savings add up. Third, governments offer tax credits and rebates to make EVs more affordable. These incentives can knock thousands off the price. It's not just about being trendy. Electric cars are practical, economical, and better for the planet. Cleaner air, more money in your pocket, and a little help from Uncle Sam. That's why more people are making the switch. Let's break down these benefits. Let's talk about clean air. It's something we all need but often take for granted. Every breath we take connects us to the world around us, and the quality of that air shapes our health, our happiness, and even our future. In cities everywhere, millions of people wake up to hazy skies and the faint smell of exhaust. But what if we could change that story? Gasoline engines burn fuel and release harmful gases, carbon dioxide, smog, and more. These pollutants don't just disappear, they linger in the air, filling our streets and neighborhoods. They contribute to climate change, worsen asthma, and make it harder for everyone, especially children and the elderly, to breathe easily. The noise and constant rumble of traffic are reminders of a system that's overdue for change. Electric cars, no engine, no tailpipe, no emissions. They're quiet, efficient, and designed for a cleaner tomorrow. When you drive an electric vehicle, you're not just getting from point A to point B, you're helping to clear the air for everyone around you. They run on electricity from a battery, so nothing pollutes the air as you drive. Imagine gliding through your neighborhood without leaving a trail of pollution behind. The difference is immediate and noticeable. No more clouds of exhaust, no more choking fumes at stoplights. Imagine city streets without the haze and noise, just quiet, clean movement. People can walk, cycle, and enjoy the outdoors without worrying about what they're breathing in. The city feels more alive, more welcoming, and safer for everyone. This shift means healthier communities, especially for kids and seniors. Children can play outside without the risk of inhaling toxic air, and older adults can take a stroll without worrying about their lungs. Cleaner air means fewer hospital visits, less disease, and a better quality of life for all. Sure, electricity has to come from somewhere, but our grid is getting greener every year. More and more, the power that charges our cars comes from renewable sources: wind, solar, and hydropower. This means that every mile you drive electric is a mile toward a cleaner planet. More wind, solar, and hydropower means cleaner charging. As we invest in these technologies, the benefits multiply, not just for drivers, but for entire communities. Cleaner energy means cleaner air, and that's something everyone can appreciate. Even today, driving an EV produces far fewer emissions than a gas car. Over its lifetime, an electric vehicle can prevent tons of pollution from entering our atmosphere. That's a real, measurable difference, one that adds up with every new EV on the road. The more we switch, the cleaner our air becomes. Each electric car is a step toward a future where clean air is the norm, not the exception. It's a movement that's growing every day, as more people choose to drive electric and demand better for their families and their cities. It's a simple change with a huge impact. Plugging in your car instead of filling up at the pump is a small act that leads to big results: less pollution, quieter streets, and a healthier environment for everyone. Cleaner cars mean a healthier planet. Our choices today shape the world our children will inherit. By choosing electric, we're investing in a future where nature and cities can thrive side by side. That's a future worth driving toward, a world where clean air is for everyone, and every journey helps make our planet a better place to live. Let's talk about something everyone cares about: saving money, and keeping more of it in your wallet. When it comes to owning a car, the costs can really sneak up on you. From filling up the tank to surprise repairs, it all adds up. But what if there was a way to keep more of your hard-earned cash? Gas prices seem to climb higher every year, and every trip to the pump can feel like a hit to your budget. For many families, fuel is one of the biggest ongoing expenses of car ownership. With an electric car, you can plug in at home and charge up overnight, often for just a fraction of what you'd spend on gasoline. Imagine waking up each morning with a full tank, ready to go, without ever having to stop at a gas station. Most EV owners enjoy the convenience of starting their day with a fully charged car, skipping the hassle and time spent at the pump. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily routine. Over the course of a year, the savings really add up. Many drivers find they can cut their fuel bill by half, or even more, just by switching to electric, and that's not the only place you'll save. Electric vehicles don't need oil changes, spark plug replacements, or exhaust system repairs. That means fewer trips to the mechanic and fewer surprise bills. The electric motor is a marvel of simplicity, with far fewer moving parts than a traditional gasoline engine. Fewer parts mean less that can go wrong, and less money spent on repairs over time. Of course, you'll still need to take care of basics like tires and brakes, but that's about it. Maintenance is simpler, and often less expensive. With less time spent in the shop and more time on the road, you can focus on what matters, enjoying the drive and making memories with your loved ones. When you add up the savings on fuel and maintenance, the numbers are impressive. Over the life of your electric car, you could save thousands of dollars, money that stays in your pocket, not the gas stations or the repair shops. That's real money you can use for the things you care about, whether it's a family vacation, a special treat, or just a little extra peace of mind at the end of the month. Electric cars aren't just good for the environment, they're good for your wallet too. And knowing you're saving money can make every drive a little more enjoyable. So who doesn't like saving money? With an electric car you can drive smarter, spend less, and keep more of your money where it belongs, in your wallet. Let's talk price. EVs often cost more upfront, mostly because of the battery. But prices are dropping as technology improves and production scales up. Factor in tax credits, rebates, and all the money you'll save on fuel and maintenance. Over time, the total cost of owning an EV can be less than a gas car. Experts predict price parity is coming soon. Today's higher sticker price is a temporary hurdle. In the long run, EVs are a smart investment. We're at a turning point in automotive history. Electric cars are getting better, cheaper, and more accessible every year. They're quieter, quicker, and easier on your wallet and the planet. Charging networks are growing, and soon, EVs will fit every lifestyle and budget. The question isn't, should I get an electric car, but which one? This is an exciting time for drivers and car lovers alike. We're building a cleaner, quieter, and better world, one electric mile at a time. The hum of an electric motor is the sound of progress. Thanks for joining me in the garage. The future is electric, and it's just getting started.